Hi, my name is Bijesh Ghimire, student ID 30393901. Today I am going to present on my individual contribution on our project analysis of defective and recalled products using retail and sales returns data. Now the tasks that I accomplished in this sprint. Number 1 is user story 16, where there is addition of data in product table. Number 2 is user story 20, where as a user I should be able to see top selling products. And user story 21, as a user I should be able to see product returns dashboard. And the fourth task I did is research upon case studies. So here is the screenshot of the database where data has been added to the products table. Continue addition of data on tables is ongoing since sprint 1. Here is the visualization of the top selling products. We can see that men's running shoes, women's night cologne and men's jacket are the top 3 selling products of ODX company. This is the visualization that calculates the total cost and retail of the top 3 retail product categories, which is men clothing, women fragrances and men's shoes. This is the visualization for the top 3 outlets from where the products are written. The top 3 outlets for most product returns in ascending order are ODX PT Street, ODX Main Street and ODX Scott Street. This is the visualization for the contribution of each clothing department on return percentage. So the total contribution of the clothing department is 73% and the total contribution of the shoes department is 26%. So we can conclude that there are more returns in apparels and clothing than shoes. This visualization helps to analyze the top 4 return product categories with quantity and their costing. The top 4 return product categories are men's clothing, women's cologne, men's running shoes and men pants. So combining all those individual visualizations, this is how returns dashboard looks like. Now the research part, where I researched over multiple product recalls. I have listed a couple of them. Number 1 is where cotton on recalls denim jeans because to prevent the risk of possible contamination with high levels of cancer causing azo dyes. And number 2 is Target, where it recalls its shoes to prevent faulty batches sole surface which may present a slip hazard. Now the application of stream specific knowledge. The first and foremost is project management, where we followed the identify, document, analyze, strip and retrieve process. We identified the comments and recommendations from sprint 1, documented and discussed it, and then analyzed it to make changes. Later it was stored in cloud as lessons learned so that we can retrieve it whenever needed. And the second one is data visualization, where I made myself used to with visualizations functions to create formula and summation, and also learned dashboard creation with advanced filtering and slicing customizations. Third one is research methodologies, explanatory research that help exploring research questions that have not been studied in depth, and descriptive research that help to explain the characteristics of the collected data. Now personal reflection, the things that didn't go well and what could have been done. Number 1 is division of user stories among sprints went wrong because much of the work was left for sprint 3. So we suffered the user stories between sprint 2 and sprint 3 to make the work division even. Number 2 is addition of filters and navigation could have been better in the current dashboard. To make this better, more filters and navigation that helps in predictive analysis will be added up to the dashboard. Number 3 is relationship conflict in the database tables, where corrected by properly allocating primary and foreign keys that establishes relationship between tables and is also helpful during data visualization and analysis. Number 4 is categorization of products. We came to feel like the product can be subcategorized more in depth to increase the product scope and the project scope. So we will be adding more product subcategories with more data. Number 5 is data issues while collaboration. We are using the primitive method of importing and exporting the database from one computer to another by sharing files, which is showing some error in our database. So we will be correcting this problem by using a central portal where all three of us can make changes in data and is applied at once to all. Thank you.